Most people think you need Heygen to make a professional lip sync talking video. But here's the truth, you don't need. 99% of creators out there are wasting both their credits and their money on Heygen. And they don't even realize there's a better option sitting right in front of them. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a better lip sync talking avatar video with dynamic captions using Veed Fabric 1.0. And trust me, once you see this, you won't go back. Let's get started. First, the Veed link is right there in the description below. Go ahead and sign up for free. It takes less than a minute. Once you're inside, click on Generate Talking Head Video. Then open Gen AI Studio and click on AI Character. And just like that, you're inside the editing dashboard. Now, the first thing you'll notice here is a solid collection of pre-made talking characters, ready to use instantly. If you just want to get something done fast, these work great. But today, we're building our own AI avatar from scratch. So click on Create New. You'll see three options here. Upload your own character image. Generate an AI character from a text prompt. Use a pre-made character. I already have my own image ready, so I'm just going to upload it here directly. Hit Create Character. Next step, selecting a voiceover. Veed has a really solid library of voices to choose from. Different styles, different tones. There's genuinely something for everyone. But I already have my own recorded voiceover, so I'm heading over to Your Voice and uploading it there. Once that's done, hit Generate. And within just a few seconds, your talking head video is ready. But before we play it, let's set up the subtitles first. Head over to the subtitle section. Set your language, English in our case, and click Auto Subtitle. Done. Your subtitles are generated automatically. Fast, accurate, and clean. Now here's where things start getting really exciting. You'll see a bunch of dynamic caption styles available here. And honestly, they look genuinely impressive. Let's try the first one. Just click on it. It's processing. Applying the text behind the character. And boom! Look at that! The caption is applied. And it's automatically sitting behind the character. That layered, cinematic look, done in one click. That's the kind of caption style that stops people from scrolling. Let's try the second style too. And that looks just as good. Clean, bold, and eye-catching. Now here's the thing. You're not locked into any default style. You can fully customize every caption. Change the font size, switch up the font style, adjust the colors, and reposition everything exactly where you want it. It's all drag and drop. No technical knowledge needed. And scrolling down, there are even more dynamic caption styles waiting for you. Personally, this one is my favorite. It feels the most dynamic and energetic. Perfect for reels and shorts. Now here's a little trick that's really popular right now, and it genuinely boosts engagement on short-form content. Instead of keeping your captions locked in one position throughout the entire video, you move them around the frame. Different captions, different positions. It keeps the viewer's eyes moving, and that keeps them watching longer. Here's how to do it. First, detach the caption from the timeline. Then place it wherever you want. Top, center, bottom, wherever feels right. Skip one clip. Move to the next caption. Detach that one too. Change its position. The key here is, detaching makes sure only that caption moves. The rest of your timeline stays untouched. Keep going through your video doing this, and when you play it back, your captions will be jumping around the frame in that modern, high-retention style that's trending everywhere right now. It looks like a lot of work, but honestly, it takes just a few minutes. Veed.io also offers a wide range of AI tools that will prove highly helpful in your daily content creation. Additionally, you can try out the other caption styles as well. They are all quite cool, and you can customize them to suit your preferences. Once everything looks exactly the way you want, just hit export. Choose 4K for the best quality, or HD if you need a smaller file size.
So welcome to another new video. Today we are talking about how to make this type of perfect lip sync talking video with dynamic captions using Veed Fabric 1.0.
And that's it. Your talking avatar video with dynamic captions is fully ready to go. What I love about this whole process is how simple it is. You don't need editing experience. You just upload your image, add your voice, apply your captions, and Veed handles the rest. If you want to try this yourself, the Veed link is in the description below. It's completely free to get started. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to Aira so you never miss a tool, tutorial, or workflow that could save you serious time.